So when I speak to other political parties, they say ठीक है, अच्छा electoral bond हटा दो, ठीक है, गलत है, कोर्ट ने भी कह दिया हटा दो, इसका ऑप्शन क्या है फिर?
तो कई चीज़ें हो सकती हैं। मैंने सुधार भी दिया है कि ऑप्शन बड़ा सिंपल है कि अगर कोई भी कॉरपोरेट सेक्टर किसी को पैसे देना चाहता है फॉर द इलेक्शन पर्पस, वो इलेक्शन कमीशन को दे, ठीक है ना। तो टेकर 10,000 करोड़ इलेक्शन कमीशन पे आ गया, ठीक है, तो ईच कैंडिडेट को उतना ही पैसा दे दो, ईच कैंडिडेट ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, नो प्रॉब्लम।
नहीं होगा,
क्यों नहीं होगा? आपने मुझसे पूछा, मैंने आपको सुधार दिया।
हो सकता है practically.
If people are willing, see this
so
is
where does the money come from?
From the corporate sector, same thing.
And put it into a corpus.
Into a corpus of the election commission and distribute it amongst.
Why would a company?
A ruling party.
No,
why
would a company?
Why not? Is it doing it now?
Let's think about an Ambani, right? An Ambani would want to give it to a winner party. Why would a Ambani want to give it to a
For why do you say
losing party?
That means you are wanting to give it to a party which will win elections when you have deep financial interest in the system. It's a great conflict issue.
Is there an like?
I'm giving you a solution now.
Because you
This
international
will require a 5-day discussion as to what new system should come. But since you asked
obviously
me the
I
question,
want a once a week interview with you. That means
therefore I'm saying you asked me a question. I'm giving you a solution. If the corporates want to help by funding the electoral process, they can do it by giving the same amount of money to the election commission, which distributes equally amongst all candidates.
Is it fair for like a political party which has in the previous election has 200 seats and
they'll get more because each candidate will get the same amount and therefore they'll have more money. Simple.
And it doesn't matter where they are fighting, because a candidate who fights in Maharashtra will obviously need more money as compared to a person who's fighting.
That doesn't matter. That's equally distributed. That's all. Candidates should fight the same. यहाँ तो मतलब कि दिस इज द अदर थिंग, ये जो कैश की बात करते हैं, तो हमने कैश ख़त्म करने के लिए किया था, तो आजकल आंध्रा और कर्नाटका में कितना पैसा खर्च होता है?
Please, if you start me on demonetization, I can talk louder than you, or I can be more critical, because I feel it's the most bizarre scheme which has ever come into this country.